Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into Deloitte Workday account. First of all, open up any browser. I am using Google Chrome here. You can use Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Microsoft etc. Now at the search bar type in Deloitte Workday and then click enter. Scroll down until you find this link, which is of myworkdayjobs.com, and click on it. After clicking on that link, you will be redirected to another page which is of Deloitte. Now accept the cookies, and at the top right corner you will find sign in option. Click on it. Now type in your email address and password. After that, click on sign in button to log into your Deloitte Workday account. You can also click on this link to create new Deloitte Workday account, or if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instruction to get new password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.